Hey there! Let me introduce you to one of our most powerful PrestaShop solution, the Product Catalog Import Module. With the help of this product, you can quickly and easily import products not only from another store, but also from third-party stores, FTP, or directly from your supplier. Let's take a closer look at the main features of our module. This is the main import settings page. Here that you need to make basic settings for the most important thing, for the correct processing of our file containing products for import. Here we can see saved settings. They can be used in the future, as well as download or upload saved settings from another store. This is especially useful when you have several stores. One template with the necessary import settings saves you a lot of time. Here is the block with general information about the module version, basic instructions, and support. To start the import process, perform the basic settings in the first step. If everything is ready, click the Next button. The second step is the most important. This is where you need to associate the product fields in your store with the file. Perform the association of the required fields and view the main possibilities. You will find more detailed instructions with specific examples and operations in the instructions section. Pay attention to the import conditions and additional settings tabs. These sections are responsible for additional settings of our import. For example, for importing from specific categories, or for updating existing products. And the additional section allows us to create our own additional fields for products, using our own formulas and values. You can also set price conditions and quantity rules here. If all the settings are done, we can save our settings for future use. Please note, settings must be saved to perform automatic import tasks, cron tasks. To execute import in automatic mode, add the following link in your Cron Tasks Manager. By clicking on the Import button, we will start the import process. Here we can see the status of our process. The system will notify you of the end of the import process and show the status of the process. The next section is Automatic Tasks. Go to the Scheduled Tasks tab. Here you can see created tasks, or you can add a new task. To add a new task, click the Add New Task button. Enter a task name and select previously saved settings. Set the task frequency, the time or period when the task will be performed automatically. The one-shot button means that the task will be performed once only. Click Save button to save the task. Pay attention to the system message about the completion of the task. That's all. We got acquainted with the basic settings of one of the most powerful products of our company for the PrestaShop store. Follow us and see other solutions for your needs. We have many modules and developments for PrestaShop. See you soon!